Calculations in Excel can be as simple as finding the difference between two numbers, and today, we're diving into exactly how to do that. Let's say we have a list of figures and we want to find the difference between them. Our first step is to select an empty cell where we want the result of our subtraction to appear. In this example, we'll choose cell C1. Now, to start any calculation in Excel, we always begin with an equals sign. So, in cell C1, type the equals sign. With the equals sign entered, we then need to tell Excel which cells to subtract from each other. To subtract the value in cell B1 from the value in cell A1, we first select cell A1. After selecting cell A1, we then type the subtraction symbol, which is the minus sign. Finally, we select the second cell that we want to subtract, which in our case is cell B1. Once the formula is complete, all we need to do is press the Enter key on our keyboard. And just like that, cell C1 now displays the difference between the values in cells A1 and B1. You can repeat this process for any two cells in your spreadsheet to perform subtraction and efficiently analyze your data.